Howly dickily and welcome to the 5th episode in this series. I'm building board on wheels which will slide under the table I've built on the previous episode for easy access and holds my air compressor. It can as well store shop vacuum, tools and so on. I'm using treated wood, exterior screws and wheels which I purchased from my local Menards store. As always, I pre-drill and sink the screws, marking the center and adding another board. Marking the position of the wheels. Time taken 4 hours. Cost without the tools around 120. Cost with the tools around 1200. Thanks for watching. This build allows easy access and keeps my tools above the ground.